CapCut Keyframe Slow Motion. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open CapCut on your computer. Click Create Project to open a new workspace. Then click Import to bring in your media. Choose the video file you want to use from your computer, then click Open to import it into the project panel. After the file has been successfully imported, drag your video onto the timeline to create a sequence where you can start editing. Next, move the playhead to the right according to your needs to determine where the animation will begin. This position will define the starting point of your keyframe animation. Once the playhead is in place, click the keyframe icon in the transform section to create the first keyframe. This keyframe will store the initial position, scale, or other transform values of your clip. After that, move the playhead further to the right according to your needs to define the next stage of the animation. Click the keyframe icon in the transform section again to create the second keyframe. Then right-click on the video layer in the timeline to access additional options. From the menu, select Show Variable Speed Animation to open the keyframe graph, which allows you to control how the animation moves between keyframes. Once the graph is visible, select both keyframes. This ensures that any changes you make will apply to both keyframes at the same time. Then click Preset Curve to view the available animation curves. From the list of options, select Ease Out to create a smoother ending motion, which helps the animation slow down naturally toward the end. When you are finished adjusting the keyframe curve, press Alt+K on the keyboard to close the variable animation panel. Next, go to the Speed option on the top menu and select Curve to access additional speed controls. From the available presets, choose Bullet to apply a dynamic speed effect. Scroll down to display the bullet graph, then adjust the curve graph duration according to your needs, for example similar to the video. This allows you to fine-tune how fast or slow different parts of the clip play. If needed, enable Smooth Slow Mo to make the motion appear smoother and more natural. Press Space to preview the animation and review the final result, making sure everything looks smooth and visually appealing.